Hey everyone, it's Billy Folks here with MarineMax Houston. Today I wanted to show you our 2019 Harris 230 Cruiser. This is the Fish and Cruise model, so I'll point out a few features that makes it a little bit different. But first I'll start outside. We did order this boat equipped with the docking lights and the navigation lights flush on the fence right there. So the first feature for the Fish and Cruise model is the half gate in the front, which allows you to put your trolling motor right here. It's pre-rigged from the factory, so it's pretty much plug and play. Next, coming into the boat, I will point out some of the storage that we have. This boat has tons of storage in here. That's the bimini top boot, but also there's these channels in here that allow the water, any water from swimmers and bathers and things like that, to go over the sides of the seats and into those channels and out of the boat, keeping everything in those compartments nice and dry. Next, I'll show you the ski locker. Has plenty of room to put your skis, tubes, floats, all that good stuff in there. And out of your way, you can also put your fishing poles in there. Now we'll go to the helm, which is equipped with our Simrad Go 5. This is an all-in-one navigation, fish finder, depth finder. Also equipped with the Fusion head unit and 4 speakers throughout the boat. It does pump out some jams, and you guys will enjoy it. Another feature of the Fish and Cruise model is this livewell bait station. So there's a livewell built in right here. There's a spot for your removable bucket. Also on the side we have a washdown, and everything is controlled over here with a very conveniently placed on-off switch. Then to sum everything up, we have the 150 horsepower Mercury motor on here, and a ski pylon, so you can pull skiers, wakeboarders, tubers, things of that nature. Again, this is the 2019 Harris 230 Cruiser. My name is Billy with MarineMax. Come see us.